a very good job where e no interfere with the judiciary concerning Paolo Conte in case.
I think say the defense team now they do a very good job.
No, I feel say the state prosecutors themselves they do a very perfect job.
But I think say the Attorney General and Minister of Justice not to a good representative.
Really? Well, now the discussion is right now where they go all around our yard. All man get the way I interpret this case. Now that's make we now we yard don't come for discuss about different things them inside this case. No go no side we dey come back just now.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one wey you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we really do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. My name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
Inside the program today, apart from Paolo Conte in case, we na the principal discussion inside this particular program today. We get different things then where we want to make sure you know about. Hey, inside Koinadugu district, Dian Chief Don, Dalakuru, plenty things they happen there inside there right now. People them and the security officers them don't knock it together for sake where the government the evict them people and they say they want make Chinese people and take over that place they for do mining of gold.
Wow.
Let me watch the reaction of people and quick when camera just now. But because of the bad word them when they inside this particular video, make we mute them. We not going to follow you some of their word and they want a bad word there. Listen up quick. Just watch them. Maybe as you go to watch how we go to talk. You see, these are the youth them where actually they try for stand for their right according to what they say. And we find out that inside this particular thing, they use this social media for able for put the things them the situation under control. As you can see, this is social media where they pass with gun them, but people them be really mad about the whole thing. Pictures them show say the lights out inside them, although from the aerial shots they do, you find out say people them they toss them, bundle them, they move from place to place because according to them they say the powerman chief say they don't sign the contracts done. So nothing order for the lawman go fence side for them.
The question wey we wan ask na ya. So you wan tell me say na the investor na one by the investors dem dey where the president dey fly for the kites?
They talk and do no. The bottom line na invest for them. Whether they be on there because I don't feel anyone no guys so.
Well, if thing don be you go so, we dey afraid make one day a group of people not just kind of the capital sit in a Freetown, they say all man move from Western for come block Eastern. In the name of investors.
Normally na so they can do when they say one come mine here, what's how they do program bra. Elect na dey don 99 years you come.
But wetin are the provision wey dem parent put for them family wey be dey live na ya, wey be dey get their survival na ya, for just don't clean, somebody can say move from the side where you be done it for quite a long time, where your life don't attach to. Say move from there, we dey can mine order from the above.
And that make them get powermanship, but the powermanship say nothing not dey follow, they don't sign down. Period.
Because you don't collect him, round maybe law.
Well, however, whatever, anyhow you get for take they don't sign down. Nothing not dey for them.
Anyway, this now we are, this now salon for we all. Don't we not live on this issue. We just rub more stay, let we family know.
And quick one again, not just one month again. But you notice say, but all the money we don't come, then frontline workers still dey cry for the salary.
Well, me e no doubt me because this cry not until they cry. Now just a continuation.
The one in Akonot, wey na one of the main isolation treatment center, dey cry say 12 weeks, in fact, e no go 13 weeks, they no get salary.
I'm one of the nurses attached at the Connaught Isolation Unit. We and all the other staff at the unit are deeply frustrated. We have not received any week's allowance from the government of CLN for the past 12 weeks. We have been dedicated to patient care management despite their failure to keep their promises to us. We leave our family daily, pay our own transport fare for the sake of our people, but no explanation has been given to us concerning delay of payment.
But this people no get information minister.
Now that I just want to also say, just wait small. The information minister, when in get mind like man, it can't objection for can't tell me babala English them because now the ink use for convince people there. Can't talk babala English them. He praise the president according to the president in campaign today. Where the campaign
we don't first at the front line.
The front line, all that thing and then. You know we no better talk when they can't talk about people and salary rather than for can't frame things there no more. At the end of the day, go sit down, they till they continue.
And because they say governments not pay them, and they want to let them pay all their backlog money. Waiting, how to this information be?
At this point, I'm not going to confirm or deny this because I say His Excellency been announced quite a range of things there what they do for healthcare workers, risk allowance, an insurance scheme, and a whole lot of packages for show appreciation for the frontline healthcare workers there. So I also aware say they may not begin pay some of their allowances there across the spectrum. It's possible say they're not going to reach all sides, but I know say payment has been ongoing, and so this one come as a surprise. But I go need to get my facts then why is as it done now.
Mr. Minister, the fight against this COVID, now one way very challenging, particular to healthcare workmen them. If this happen for be true, what's in this they tell you?
Yeah, so what's going to be true now the facts say they're not on reach some side there. What's I know say not go ever be true now the facts say they have been neglected, they have been abandoned, they have been marginalized. That one is not going to be true. What's if anything will go be true now the facts say then they pay the allowances and right now they're not on reach some segments it. Because this government definitely value and prize the efforts of frontline workers, particularly in this fight. Una remember say President Bill said been soldier man during the war. He clearly understand what being in the front line mean. This now a situation where they put himself forward.
He put as responsible people, they not necessarily mean say now for come lead them. People in the way they are in position in the way by now. I don't think say we for the talk about payment.
Not to that at the talk. Not to that at the talk. You know, leadership is cause. All others are effect. The president don't put in place committed people there. We can always have problems. Well, everything everywhere gets problems there. But the will for make sure so surmount them problems and then are important. In this case, forget the money now been the difficulty. The money they not allocate them, the process don't begin. But at the same time, I know say government in any circumstance no one for sacrifice, transparency and accountability on the altar of expediency. So this payment they go on, I sure say then go expedite them for make sure say people then get the allowances and timeously or whatever we do there.
How this come as a surprise to you? We're not for 1 week, then people they protest according to the information we get because it don't for over a lapse of 8 weeks. 9 years then they can protest for we they not get the allowance we then they supposed for they get weekly.
Well, I know say payments will not begin. I used to say if you find out and you go know say payments they go on right now.
Now the lab tech them we don't get.
It's possible say
it
not on reach.
We don't overlap. We then say been strike for make them we don't get.
It's possible say definitely payment not go don't reach the people then we agree where they go on this strike like Ona say. I not get all the facts, but the thing I was sure about now the facts say at no point have they been neglected. This government cannot in any circumstance attempt to marginalize them. Like na life and death business. So they treat out all seriousness. When I find out where they go talk the state opening of parliament and this year, one of the first set of people that we prioritize and single out that the healthcare workers there. For the
what?
sacrifice, the commitment. Well, he's always known for a man with the match words with action.
So why 8 weeks they don't day without their allowance when they forget weekly?
Well, this is your word versus the fact. And they say something,
This
they
na
not
the
don't pay the
fact
last
because
person it,
this-
but actually say payment they on.
For the past 8 weeks, they not get the weekly allowance when they're supposed for the get.
Well, I know say allowance payments in the go of some form of allowances until they not don't pay the last person it. People then they would not go down reach it. So that could be the basis of this one that they talk about. But I can assure you, I say government they do everything with power for make sure they will pay everybody. This is well-deserved money. This is well-earned money. I will appreciate the role of the frontline workers there. Everything what they do for keep this country safe. When they take the bullets on behalf of the rest of we can only pay them so much.
Yeah. But another for be wait. Let's ask this question, yeah. SUV, 30 SUV, they would carry away buy for first coronavirus. The frontline workers them, the allowance them. Who's one a priority to the government?
Make I just give you this small proverb. You know, now this can make some of we in doubt. Wait if man dey sit down and in corner, he dey holler thief. Who that for trust?
Idiotic, reality.
You know, me the whole process, we not trust the whole process. Because when it comes from to the nurses that they talk, you know, them people here, we all know the risk wey they take. We not for even allow them people for the cry, this kind cry, let the people then they see them.
But you remember say the Attorney General the other time he say let them just dey spend, they not check payment.
That is another one where you know they give no good advice to the president.
Okay. You know say the reason why they want follow and for let them just dey take phone number. Ebo, Mutkano dey under buy 30. Almost waiting on the under. Oh buy this. Oh the okay. What do you talk about this so? One popular blogger wey dem call Vicky Remo, one thing just be pass me eye. Now I see na in wall, in Facebook wall. It really pull the whole system. They are big. Let me watch this video where Vicky Remo do inside Impala, quick one, as he did try for making call. But you get your interpretation where you go get, but they cannot use now.
What do they do now? Oh, COVID Organics. They still go take her. I beg, send $45,000. That COVID Organics, yes. Please. Okay, what are they doing now? Nobody's taking the COVID Organics. Yeah, that COVID Organics, put some behind for me, yeah. Lock them. Okay. Okay, you just bought car. But other mods carrying for me, yeah. That new Land Cruiser V8 engine. We got a fridge inside. Black. 30. Okay. What? They're feeding people and what? Medicine? They're giving people medicine in the hospital. You be left money for medicine? No. Okay. Oh, World Bank! Okay, World Bank! Yeah, sap me the number, yeah? Sap me the number, okay. World Bank. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so, okay. No, we did. You don't say I don't know. Okay, anything you do, we do. You just tell us. Okay. Alright, okay. Sam, call World Bank for me, yeah?
As we already wait to sister talk, me say support them. Indeed, people that just sit down, now they don't corner them, care about their own personal things them, whether they reap from this government.
So now you interpretation and
now that's
you don't say anything. You just be the make call they talk on phone.
But excuse me, if them people that care for why Babala Motoka them and give them Motoka out to people them, whether they know they go facing this thing, why them people they are not they care about the one way they go facing this virus to people where they say and get her.
I say The president said they don't fight another war. I mean, they're in the front line. They clearly know what's being in the front line of a response mean.
What's that get for do it's this?
It puts the frontline workers them at the top of the agenda.
But if they get paid.
Now that make me say every month, every 1 week, we give an allowance of 1 million euros and all.
Treatment centers indeed, where they don't receive for both months. Treatment centers indeed, where they don't receive for April. Treatment centers indeed, where they don't verify them. They don't make the process by today to tomorrow. By today, their money they need to hit their accounts then. So the issue is not about whether me don't receive or me don't receive it. The fact of the matter is that the commitment to government make, government the honor one.
That really bring down from account to table.
I think Mr. Yado mentioned Indian had better position for Modani because we're not a part of the MOU.
Okay, Khadija, make a help Ahmed for addressing that question. That's not exactly the point we will start with for say they will get categories that we're not in at the MOU, but we would struggle for handle. Luckily, I will say is that we get a category we refer to as contact tracers. We mostly, from the fiduciary point, we be careful understand say the people who perform this role are the community health workers. And we also get information say the district medical officers and this category of health workers don't agree to the 200,000 incentive per week for the category. And I just get a text message from Dr. Pasuluku for say if they can come and start the payment now. I also don't say that to Dr. Jallo. We also have a concern for them. Say it seems like we don't get a clear position now for this category where they call contact tracers. But again, it boils down to the same issue where from the fiduciary point we identify as coordination. Because from the onset, if we don't agree, say the DMOs are very clear, say this category of people, they get X amount. The SLMDA is very clear about that. Even the beneficiaries are very clear about that. I think we're not get any problem at all.
So quick one, make a like you they say from all the statements then the money not to the problem, but
the money is really not to the problem.
So the money
we get resources from different angles. To be very honest with you, not to the money not the problem.
The money really, it don't come up. Una get some, I'm not denying, but the money only go to the right people them pockets. That's all the wrong people them pockets. The money they go. Why not still they cry for salary up to it?
Aggrieved, then this gone through. But then just want you government bad name ya.
Always, now an excuse they don't need.
Just you government bad name.
Now an excuse.
They want there, according to the information minister, maybe now they want there so they not reach to the unit, so they just feel say no more, they don't delay. But all in a process.
It don't really help them because when they come audition, I see that thing like this again for cancer.
Government is the single largest financier of the current COVID fight. Donor partner resources cannot be compared to government. About 70% of the expenditure the government undertaken. Right from preparedness stage, quarantine homes, incentives, this, contact tracing, every other thing, EOC operation, vehicles, all that is the government.
And then repeat myself again for tell you say, make this government left for full people. And then repeat myself again.
I wish the Tolombo and Webo for appreciate what we do. You know, we can't say we want to put food on the table.
But I don't tell you, say, this table in one food, it broke. Don't the table don't lean. Any food where they put, it is swap candle. So tell our people that we see the food.
And we Minister of Finance don't talk, say, he can't let them pull poverty by people in Boston. If you talk back, say after himself, poverty not going for come out pants around people.
It's fine until the last Sierra Leonean go to bed, not go to bed hungry. I mean, it's going to be difficult. We start to get easy situation even after my time. Even 3-4 finance ministers coming after me. No, we don't meet up the bread and butter. She's going to be with us for some time to come. Poverty has been with us for some time. Poverty is still here. Poverty will continue.
So you agree
we determine as a government, as I will say, to reduce the poverty.
So you don't agree now say the realities and different from waiting person they see with the
Of course, I'm always conscious of that.
And you know say that they can tire themselves, but they don't know.
Like you one funny thing, yeah. You know say this minister of finance. They ask her one day, say, waiting at the current rates, dollar rates now country. You know what's the answer again? You know the buy and sell dollar, so you don't know.
But when they tell me, some of them, they don't even represent the green, white, and blue.
As far as in concern, they pay them.
Then they turn the flag, they turn them.
So if you ask me, Minister of Finance, then you don't know the exchange rate at the country, you go ahead for move the economy.
That's for if you ask about if you know the color of the flag. If you know, you the minister, right? Finance minister, you don't know the rates of dollar in exchange. If you go know the color of, you can't see flag. I don't know.
Anyway, let's just join the first line workers then. We are caretaker, Minister of Information say you don't fit at the front line. So we want to make increase the first line workers they will. You don't say you give them, they don't risk their life, then you left their family them. Some then they go to their house, then they na lonely house because everybody don't run away from them, they're afraid. Then for them to give them now the risk house, so na promise them, una need give them. Well, now this na the thing. We want to talk with the sky for talk because it happen. They say,
I never really wait for you.
I never only wait for you. Then they say we criticize the government. We want to overthrow the government. You know, terrorist attack. Anyway, anytime I talk about terrorists, I ask one question until I give me answer they left for ask. Then people that will die in a Palemba road, who side they now? Who side they don't beg them?
Come more behind them people that they talk.
Any day I ask. Who side they don't beg them?
People that they talk. Man, I don't tell you say, you know they ever see grave for them people and you know they ever get answer. The only answer where they get from the police, we they investigate.
I think say the last thing I remember, say them the born people in a saloon and then in their man then where the born people in a Kisiwol Bay and gone. But apart from that day, and wherever they are say the born people in you know.
But what's about the don't go back and papa? Just the one hold them, don't play them cover.
Well, now the thing no, papa and cover are the same thing. Hold on, let's tell you something. The investigation for this same prison break, you know done it?
Now for access CID. They will tell you if you don't do it, you're not done it.
Anyway, this investigation how long ago?
You not get for a agency for that investigation. Just forget about that. And the only way that one day we they able fool we for anything way happen now we had where they no one get clear picture of the next way they police they investigate.
CID, they investigate here now too.
So?
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I think we go now drop outside we supposed to go for today. We know they take today. A small number one for a month. There, I hear them say, cousin Paulo, they know, freedom fair or you're not guilty of treason.
Well, according to the judgment we will get from the court, we understand say they're not even find am guilty on the treason charge where already people they don't kind of social media where this thing starts where they don't judge say Paolo Conte commits treason.
You see, I be get my own opinion from the time when this thing begin.
And myself gets my own opinion up to date.
I been always the talk say in the first place there not be even need for go na courts.
Okay.
And I will tell you this, the president not be even one forget any issue out of this.
Why make you say so?
Even a court, the one that we go give testimony in a court say, them been telling say, let nobody not talk about this, even on social media of any side. Let just left inside and then go handle them. But that been just speak the heart or the mind of the president. It go on. 9 we hear you say no, they don't go arrest Paulo, say a get case for answer to. They go assassinate the president with gun. Gone. We hear even audio na social media again where be leak from one SLPP group, from one diaspora. we say, in one of the people that we call the president say, they need for deal with Paulo because if they not set example right now, then one for take him as a advantage in a weak person. Gone. One come out say the police don't charge Paulo and they begin go court. This thing happen fast though.
The reggae don't start.
So in your opinion, I think say the president not be one for let this thing go, but because of pressure, the president, before we go into one deeply, let's talk to you, sir. Until you left for begin, sorry for certain individual, or begin for say, oh, this you don't sorry for we, or you don't help we, and need for listen to them. Until you begin act on your own, on what you got to tell you, you not go succeed. Because you get plenty people them we're blind with politics where they around you. That you good aim where you be always get, you not go ever succeed if you not clean some people around you.
Well, actually, I just want to counter you on your statement where you say now the president not be want for proceed this investigation.
Yes.
Good. And the challenge you say the president is ready for push this investigation to how it happened so.
Alright.
Because as a president, now in the father of we nation, now everybody they look to, it gets the power, right? When something happen, for make you use your own discretion as head of state and say, now so I want this be, I want this pass this stage where it don't reach. But if he not do one, he listen to in so-called advisors them, where to me they're not even meaningful now this country or this government.
Okay.
I feel say if you say according to yes my opinion, but I just challenge. If you say you feel say the president not be want for make the investigation proceed, I not agree with you.
Because they not be even get case. When a serious case, when make them end up for call this thing treason. The treason you forget, you talk about treason just now. Say treason, one person only commits treason.
Yes, of course, everybody know. Secondly, to waiting at the talk, we all understand, we all know, the one whole world, this is not the number one treason case where they try when a one great person. Because as we talk here, my people, and we all know say treason, one person not the attempt even for go commit treason. Because when you talk of treason, now either you want to go overthrow the government or you want to go kill the president. But in this case, I don't know how Paulo for be able to divide himself for go do this act just in one. Because the investigation don't show we say now in one. From the top to now where they judge the case, we not see nobody where they put in front of we say now the team this we want attempt. Now the team this we attempt for go do this act.
Like can you go back inside the court trial? Like remember some of the questions then when the state prosecutor be asked.
1. Mr. Conte, you say all what you talk na court, na true? Paulo Conte answer say yes, my lord. Another question. Mr. Conte, you know say you get allegation for misappropriation of public fund. Retired Major Alfred Paulo Conte reply say, no, my lord, not at all. Another question by lawyer Adrian Fisher. Mr. Conte, evidence they way the show say, NAC will command them may misuse 85 billion loans. And Paulo Conte be answer say, not to my knowledge. After this question, lawyer Joseph Fijira Kamabi object say, lawyer Adrian Fisher not for ask them question here, because it's unnecessary to the court. We make Justice Alhaji Momoja Stevens been say, lawyer Adrian Fisher for ask question them for do with the treason case.
What's it love?
You know, how you as a lawyer, they go ask them silly questions and they So you accuse person when a Paolo.
For Lagos, but Ebola and una be don misappropriate.
The man don't lost in track. Now that's how they try for say. All the questions the way ask don't show you say he don't lost in track. Come let me tell you one thing. I name this case say na a cook trial against Paolo Conte.
They just one plot against them.
Of course. Okay. Because when you watch all the things that were done rambling around this case, for me, you know they see head, you know they see tail, rather than foresee which ones over Paolo Conte the issue.
But not to which ones. If it belong in the Ebola response, we get it for us camp at this street entire. No, if you don't have airport, you don't misuse money now.
What Ebola they can't do to Paolo in case.
Now the reason is to make an ever get interest for Paolo in case.
So I get high interest over this case, my brother. Honestly, because listen, although it be say salon today, when you talk with you sabi, or when you talk with today na your mind, the next thing na CID to Panema Road. But we still a talk because we feel say now we right for talk. Until then lock Panema Road, say the Panema Road full up now. So until we go stop for talk. Let me tell you one thing about Paolo. The same Paolo Conte in case. According to all the investigation and the count charges them, where they don't give Paolo
16.
They give him 16.
A free for a 14.
Right? A free for 14. But people will be focused on all the 15 count charges. They'll be just focused on the treason.
When are the 14?
When are the 14 count charges? Where I don't know if people every day want to use put politics, or know some people that say they don't put politics inside that case there, me not go say they put them. But now wait till the people they say. Okay. Now the other area of the issue, Paolo don't can court. They don't can judge Paolo, as we all know. They don't remove the balance count charges them. Now we understand say the judge and the jurors them end up for all 2 count charges against Paolo. When are unlawful possession of arms, where you go for 12 months, where the other one now unlawful possession of greater arms, I think that's the one they use. In fact, now other 12 months. But the problem towards them 2 count charges there where they sentence Paolo for. You will find out say there be arrest people them where related to Paolo in case 2, where they're responsible for sign and license. Give okay. Voila. You understand? Say they arrest them. Now we look at this case, this other angle. Aliyu, now you get the right for give me confirmation. Make I use this phone where I hold.
Yes.
Right? Now I don't buy this phone, bring them to you. Aliyu, now the phone this.
Yes, I sign.
You sign.
I say you get rights for
you tell me say I get rights for all the phone. At the end of the day, they go always say I don't get rights for all this phone. They arrest me, they arrest you. How on earth you for free over this case? You will sign and give me receipt say Justin, you get rights for all this phone. They'll set you free. Don't me where all the phone, they end up for convict me. For go scrub 2 years in prison. How on earth? Meaning the people them will sign over this weapon where they don't send test Paolo for so today. They free them. Now they sign no mind you. Say Paolo get right for hand this weapon as self-defense. But they end up for freedom, the people them. Don Paolo go for 2 years. How it happened? How? Now that me not even understand.
You know, the guy get the plain side in. You know, the bottom line now, I think that Paolo they not be just one for say they no lost case against. So it will be shameful for them say they lost all the case against Paolo. It for really shameful embarrassment to the president and the country, people of Salon. So then just get for fair way for anger. So I think that the only thing that they but plenty people, you know, like will start and just now get their different opinion. later on in the program, we will can't tell now, waiting at the recent thing will happen. They don't begin make another arrest them again. After this, the case done, the police don't begin do arrest concerning the same case back. We will come to that day, waiting somebody from the strategic communication unit at the Ministry of Information say concerning this case, and you know why they don't begin arrest again at this time of the day. Why on earth? In the initial stage, maybe say Paulo Conte form small where a old gun, you know, in as much as in Mutka or in bag, whatever, a old gun gonna waiting. But I think say the president, for don't be a statesman, when for don't come out, he make noise of this thing. Say, Paulo come now and state house with gun for can't kill me. They arrest him at police station for 1-2 days. No charge. You know, then they say, okay, for the sake of unity, for the sake of the country in go before one, I forgive him. But I don't get any business for those Paulo again. I think if I don't get the sympathy of the general public. But now as it is, the sympathy don't turn to Paulo side. Then he try very hard for take the prize right now, say the president not interfere with justice, the president give if he and you know, technically don't look at this. In any time when the president get interest, serious one on certain thing, you know say nothing or the way anybody can do.
Yes or no?
Because the one when is where they preside over the case, yeah, the justice, the High Court judge or what. Now the president appointer, and what he say in the final, everything he drew on it, what he say in the final, you know that?
Yes, but in this case, in this Paulo case, you self get for no say. Now case where not only Sierra Leoneans them, they look after them. Now case where now a worldwide case is where even the international community, no, they come.
No, I not tell you international community. I want to forget about that. Waiting the case for the end up and now again, no, you know for we don't do so. Oh, now why we no more? We salon people now why we put attention something. I used to make you don't know all thing quiet. The man they tell that die and suffer. All thing the quiet, nothing they come up in that day. So we get two flavor to this. We get two flavor. You know, like we don't think the public they say the president tries small, but the president forms small and in team. He tries small because let's say even where better evidence not be there against Paulo, but you know use pauper for saying for send and go. Because if you say pauper then for send and go, then they go. Nothing or nobody can do. International community or international community, nothing or they do.
Yes, I agree with you. Okay, look at it this way. Since the treason not work, who knows whose calls or call whether come on order from the above, whether you can grab Paulo or then 2 count charges there with a sentence for. Because something in there where you go down do and you see say this you don't come back for me. I don't shame to the nation. Right? You defend a way where you grab at least for let the person not go free no more. Because if I come, if the crime where they make noise for, where landed people the way we all of it expect, say therefore come on the social media and judge, they say they're not judge or they're not lawyers them. They come on the social media, they do all the things they are. Today, it can't come out bad by the show. They're all not shame, including with Papa Ona, the president. Right? Who knows if they just spend way for saying, no, let this man not go free, let go suffer small, no, and then 2 count charges there, panam, before he will go free.
Impossible in that area there. Now ask this question. You be really trust what did happen in a court with Paulo? You know, the judgment will come out and everything. The one that will sign Paulo a gun, then go free. The one where all the gun where they say if I use them and not go free. What do you think about that one? Did you or them? What do you think about them? You trust the process? How they end up for go to this judgment? Let me comment down in the comment section below. Now, the Jew or them don't come, they don't get a judgment. The one them will sign the documents for letting this man use the gun, then go free. The one will use the gun, you know, we hold the gun, not go free. You know, I don't know how it came about. But in the first place, how did they do get Jew or them for sit-down case?
Well, actually, I don't know how it will go now. But in those days, I understand say Jews and they come on a different angle when a big offices them. Because me separate talk to you, I don't work in a court as a jury.
I make you feel about one so.
Well, no problem. Where I go represent the office where I be the work.
Okay.
But we don't know now how it happen. If now appoint that they appoint the jurors them, or it's still they go that way they go and take na different side them. Okay, but you get to know say then jurors they are now people where they work, they self stand like a magistrate because they get their own decision for take in any case where they go represent. You understand? Before they go further, we tell the jurors them plenty thank you.
Okay.
Because according to what's happened by this case, to me, it really show like say they really use their head the right way for do the judgment.
You sure say not to Tolombo people, eh?
Well, I'm not there for say na Tolombo or any other party because jury be no say na independent body, right? They're not concerned nobody. They're not concerned the accused person or the complainant. Now a dependent body, right? Then just they like the judge.
Okay.
Because when the case they reach certain peak, now people in this way then they give chance say una enter na this room, make una go communicate between yourself and come out with something way positive.
Okay. Last on to you again. You will watch it right now. The Attorney General, Minister of Justice, and the Law Officers Department, according to one of the police them, they say na the Attorney General in office, the Attorney General and the Law Officers Department, now they advise say therefore put treason amongst the charges them where they put against Paulo Conte. So what do you think about this? Put your comments below. The Minister of Justice is supposed to maintain in position or in need for take the exit door. Let me know that the comment section. That's saying something here. You know, say this Minister of Justice, all the big things that when they come up, it all lost all. You know one them. You remember the first thing where been come up with a big discussion for we caretaker, where get for do we spend no check, where they fly enough for check the numbers they spend. Now the Attorney General, now I mean decide for put them together for come on Parliament. Where go to Parliament, we tell then kick her out. Slap now the government in face. The president vex. He say no aware of that name. Eh? Go on. Inside this corona term. Now the Attorney General in office back, make another good document for do another spend no check for the coronavirus. Parliament frown on tap. Everybody talk about that. Then kick her back. Slap now the government in face minus and the Attorney General. Now we don't go to court with 16 counts charge. A lost 14 and only 2 minor one. Now he go win. He really qualify?
If you only ask me that question, if the Attorney General qualify or not, you know, if really now somebody we care about credibility, we get focused for further in career tomorrow, if I resign on the position where it is right now.
Just career.
Well, the kind of position that we hold, you don't need for dot yourself again. You understand? You go wish tomorrow for pass this level.
Go side.
Well, to another level.
This level, like
because you know say you know they do for them.
But you know say the mommy not the try. Not so he not the try at all.
You understand? So you as the Attorney General, you don't bring 4 or 5 things then at the Parliament. When you not succeed one, now you don't bring somebody in a court with 16 count charges.
You lost 14.
You lost 14. What a shame. If you not somebody who care about credibility, if even the president not sack him, if he resign, but if he not resign, I feel say the president really for look into this and know how he able to kill this mamia from this position.
Yeah.
He not deserve him.
Don't go inside court. Like, how about the state prosecutor? You know, not so just lawyer or the state prosecutor. Any official, na magistrate, na the magistrate.
That's what the same man is going to be suspend doing APC time for corruption.
Yes.
Or you don't come back.
They were found and guilty at one point in time. Then he appealed. I think he be win, but he been suspended anyway.
Okay.
He don't come in the state prosecutor.
Okay.
Now he asked that question.
Think it's on.
Paulo Conte, you will not work na the National Ebola Response
Center. I know make you come that side again because
and it go dey Paulo Conte.
Relevant questions they don't want to do.
Paulo Conte, if you don't misuse money then at the Ebola response center, you dey charge person, you dey ask person question. Partially the judge say, objection, you not supposed to for asking question, you know relevant. Shame. But I be senior lawyer anyway. I be one of my favorites. I always dey admire, but no more now. Then 2 days they are so. I don't know then 2 days that ever really they feel am.
Well, now so sometimes they us way they admire all the time, if they reach a peak where it disappoints you. But same way so, inside the same topic of Paulo, as you say earlier, you know say voice come out from the strategic communication unit.
And Ministry of Information and Communication.
When a Ministry of Information and Communication.
Other than the way talk again.
When I know other person, if I can only describe this person, you give me small time for describe this person.
Hey, whoa, listen.
Right? This now the people them. Me, I don't call an even politician, I call a supporter. Right? Before I call this man in him, I just want church and small. Don't not talk about Sidoya. But one thing, if we see people like this, when we say if we get internal salon don't worst pass like how it is so. We need for the raw much for them people there. This person will pull this voice. Now person will not get shame of himself. Now person will not care about credibility. Now person will even get ambition in politics. Now a failure when we don't do America, if you say that this way they can for corrupt salon for make able get a way back. When it be said, this is not person, when if me, na in, and not for even come close to the sitting president, when na matter you. Because if we go to the archives and put things them, when you don't talk about this president, if na somebody will get shame, na somebody will care about himself, will lie, enough for even come close to matter you. But make it just take time, this acceptance, make it not end up bad for him. This na no less a person. The same person who na know say he just there for corrupt things in a salon. Where in name Alpha Saidu Bangura. He know the shame for kind of social media for can talk. He know how people look at him. He no care about what he don't do. Where he be say by this time, if you just sit down in corner, he sets him out, they lick the small honey where they put on a plate. He keep to himself.
Okay, so waiting just in the go to. After they conclude this case here, so Alpha Saidu Bangura, they put an audio where say they recommend the outcome of the trial and the president give free hand to the court for their work and the judge them and the court in decision are final. Let me listen now quick. Well, they can't tell you now waiting on begin happen as they don't begin arrest. But this now for Ministry of Information, now government somebody. Listen to them quick when they come.
The cow they do Paulo Conte, then deal with them according to what the law say. Then get a fair trial. So APC this shock go depend on hand for a long time. You know worry. But then one they will get sense. Now the aid they gonna say this is another massive distinction between this government and the APC. Because the APC, they not believe in the rule of law. They not believe in democracy. Una go see them even within their own party. Una see what they happen they right now. Simply because now people them were lawless. Well, we not answer. We believe in the law. The court don't give the ruling. The jury don't do the work. This government respects that decision day. And that's it. They will always continue for shock. Because we different from them. Until the next time we go come back to una, this time Alpha Saidu Bangura they say tata.
You already say, he said the government. Because you know they talk as Alpha Saidu, he said the government believe in this. But now, just Thursday evening, yeah, CID don't begin arrest person. And the first person they arrest now.
Now Raymond Aina Kalon. Raymond Aina Kalon. While this person now somebody where they work now the courts.
Basically now they can appoint jurors
them, yeah.
So according to waiting don't come up allegation of corruption, then say Aina, Raymond take bribe from APC people them you know, for let them be able for free Paulo Conte, how the case goes so it take bribe. Because of this, say don't arrest him and then investigate. But if Alpha Saidu, the Ministry of Information, say then trust the process, why now they don't begin arrest back for this same case?
Here comes the problem. You know, if Alpha Saidu they can on social media, they can run say the president allow fair justice, that now one part in campaign, let people see. If you talk of fair justice, and you look at what's they happen, so right now, begin to arrest somebody, say it take bribe, right, to the opposition when an APC. Now, it may, even the jurors them, give this kind of judgment and disqualify some of them count charges they have. You know, and inside Alpha Saidu is statements again with people them. I always tell now Alpha Saidu, if you get in 10 salons the worst pass like I did so. Alpha Saidu now one of the people when me feel say then they mislead the sitting president.
Okay, how?
Good. Alpha Saidu listen to his statements where he say Alpha Saidu tell me say, well, one of the people of Sierra Leone una been bring case na court.
Yes.
Listen to what? Una the people of Sierra Leone una been bring case na court.
Yes.
And now, for make una see fair judgment how the president don't succeed on this in campaign trade. This case na so it don't end. For make una know say the president not tamper with the justice.
And he even talk say this don't make the APC supporter them don't show.
Now they come so. Now they come so. If you say the people of Sierra Leone bring case na court, and if they judge that case day, anybody get forget shock. Who know if you say forget shock? Not to the same people of Sierra Leone? But Alpha Saidu not end up his statement like that. He said the people of Sierra Leone bring the case na court, and then when they judge and so, APC don't get shock, and this shock now forever shock for APC. My question now is, the Pauper SLPP new direction government. Now APC then they rule on the people of Sierra Leone then they rule. Where it be say, if anything happen, instead of they talk to the people of Sierra Leone, now APC then they come and talk to. This now the question. Now APC then they rule all now the people of Sierra Leone.
APC na just target because una no dey give it chance for una. Una dey behave like for so una na terrorists, so we must treat una anyhow.
I feel say Alpha Saidu, you for really take your shape. If you don't get nobody for advise you, and they use this opportunity now for give this advice, you really get for back down. Remember what you don't talk back in the days concerning this new direction. We still get the audios them where one day we will set an old program for remind you of what you don't do. If now you the same Alpha Saidu, they come back today, they can begin to talk boku. So start with Alpha Saidu, you don't lose your credibility to people of Sierra Leone. You don't get nothing again where they can talk to with the people them who will take you serious.
Another thing where I think say normally I don't know if it's not by law, but when you can get somebody in a court, you press charge against them, then they find them not guilty. You're supposed to compensate them. Because you don't waste in time, you don't damage in personality and all of them things. But in this case, no compensation.
Or if you say that not get for being to the people the way they don't free?
Yeah, well, now that we understand, they don't get for compensation.
Then they get right for sue the government and courts. If that be the case.
Well, what do you think? They're supposed to compensate them or not? Don't be comments for me below in the comment section. You know, after they don't acquit and discharge the treason charges them against Paulo Conte, now they for press another corruption charge against people them where they say now they set up the Jew as they take bribe. The reggae they play.
It's still a play, but this reggae is scratch. It really is scratch.
Last time we have something, like just immediately just now, we want to go to the archive of, not OTDO, of Julius Malabio with president, caretaker, and Alpha Saidu Bangoya. Let me go see what thing happen. Waiting them don't talk. And waiting they happen right now are the same. I think we'll make that in the next program. Depending, because this one, they are at your disposal. If nothing not come up with pressing, then we come up with the next edition. But if a pressing thing come up there, we'll keep her back for now. But no, we come to sweet one for now.
Really? We need to remind people about this same Alpha Saidu. The end time people there, we need to keep them off from politics.
I don't know why the president still keep an around.
Well, sometimes I bet. You know, say certain thing and day, you enemy, you get for drum. When you don't come now in possession, when they do now what you get for do.
Why you for make topic for Alpha Saidu? Alpha Saidu not to come now this place here. We're not supposed to talk about them.
No, but not a topic, boss.
You not get credibility.
Of course. Since now one by the people there where we don't they know now say now that they misdirect this new direction, we need for talk about time. If SLPP, Paupa, new direction government, fast in type like Alpha Saidu, definitely it go be this direction.
No, the Attorney General need for go work at first.
Now that is a matter of most I think.
Not qualify. Remember they talk about that, but say not qualify, eh?
Of course.
But they say no, qualify. It's how I say qualify. They call us. It's not about when they call you. About your legal, you know, integrity, your legal mind. How best you store for that. You understand it? So I think say they might need for worker. They advise the power bad way. They make the power the shame. Anytime we advise the power, they take to the stage. Then they beat down about him.
No, but you know it's me before they come on. You know, majority of the people that way the party for they around now. For me, with the things the way they go on, the battle the way they lost, they not deserve for the Ipa. But the public feel say for appoint somebody they can dey near am, it come by high grade of education.
No. Let me tell you how this mommy can near the power. This is I something I'm not supposed to talk about, but I'll talk a small bit. Charles Magai, when I'm the Minister of Justice and Attorney General, now he can with this mommy.
Okay.
It is short. He can't for recommend them to the power for let it be the principal for the law school. It's unfortunate for Charles Magai as he can't away go give the CV to the power. Now the power is Charles Magai is being in Saka. When they sack the only thing they say nearest to raw material, the only thing when they did at the near the part that ended.
No way.
This woman.
Where they say no way.
No way. Now this woman. So then see no way. Then they say okay, no take her. Not to for say you don't need support the no nothing. No. Now so it take her inside. But not for all that day. This mommy also sometimes the recommendation can go do. The mommy enough fit for the position. But lastly, the last thing I want to talk about, when are the most important thing inside this whole discussion? Now the issue of subscription. You don't subscribe?
Very important.
Get you.
very important.
If you not subscribe, do you obey? Press the subscribe button to me. Now me get her. Then go back to Justin. Press the bell, notification bell, and then when you press the bell, you see the line card, the list. Press the one where you get all, yeah? It don't done. It don't cost you anything, no, nothing even by credit. Now just wait for tell we say it support we, follow we do more. Justin, we need for the
Anyway, the people as we said earlier, now here we stop for today's program. But mind you, if something pressing not come up, we dey bring to una
Alpha Saidu
versus Madabio. Things the way Alpha Saidu we don't do and talk against the sitting president.
Until we get for me today, my name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
God bless we all. Take
God
care.
bless Mama Salon. Stay safe.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one wey you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people dem go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.